Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 8. If two angles of a triangle are 30 degrees each and the longest side is 10 centimeters, calculate the length of each of the other sides. Now, if you have two angles of a triangle to be 30 degrees, simply means that two of this triangle, that's two of the angles of the triangle are 30 degrees. That means they are the same. Let's assume these are the two angles. Here is 30 and here is 30. This angle is simply an isosceles triangle. The triangle is an isosceles triangle whereby the two base angles are equal. Now, it simply means if here is 30 and here is 30, here will be what? 120, because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And it said the longest side, definitely here will be the longest side of this triangle is 10 centimeters. Now, using sine rule, since both these base angles are equal, it simply means here is equals to this place, this side is equals to this side. Now let's call both sides x. So using sine rule, we have that 10 all over sine 120 is equals to x all over, picking any one, sine 30 degree. Now we have that when we cross multiply, 10 sine 30 is equals to x sine 120. So sine 30 is 1 over 2, so we have 10 multiplied by 1 all over 2 is equals to x multiplied by sine 120 is root 3 all over 2. Now this 2, we cancel this 2 here, so we have that 10 is equals to x multiplied by root 3. So x is equals to 10 all over root 3. Now we have to rationalize. We have to rationalize this. By rationalizing this, we'll multiply 10 over root 3 multiplied by root 3, which is the denominator, over root 3. Then this is equals to 10 root 3 all over root 3 multiplied by root 3 will give us 3. So we have 10 root 3 over 3, and this is the answer to the question, and that is option A. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.